just got a delivery from Amazon and I'm excited to show you what we got. I got a new coffee machine and I wanted to get new coffee cups. So I got a 2-pack of these cafe glass coffee mugs. Yeah, we have the cups and they look like they arrived safely. They're like double wall insulated, so they shouldn't break. Cool. I think that's just cool. I actually have their electric coffee grinder from the same brand. I've only used it like once, but it works pretty well. I like it. And here's a second glass. If I remember right, they were $19.99, and I think they had a 10 or 20% coupon. So I'll put a link down below where you can find them if you want to check it out and get some as well. I'm excited. I like when you can put the coffee in and then you put like your choice of milk and like the colors and the layers. Looks cool to me. So yeah. Check out the link below where you can find them, and have a great day. Bye. Okay, so we thought the video was ending, but we're not done yet. So I washed the cup. There was some glue residue on the outside, but it came off right away. And we're gonna make some coffee. Let's make it. I love how this throws it in the waste bin. It's so cool. I'm using this from like the sampler pack. I did buy some other pods that were the double espresso Chiaro. I like that one. Looks like a beautiful cup of coffee. Alright, got our coffee. And I'm gonna use Coffee Mate's Natural Bliss oat milk, creamer, and brown sugar. I just saw this for the first time today at Smith's and I decided to try it. I wonder if I put too much creamer because I feel like it looked like I put a lot. But this coffee is very strong, so. I feel like this would look really cool if you were making like a cappuccino, put the milk on top and all that. So cute. I love these. The glass is pretty lightweight. It's not very heavy or thick, so yeah, whatever your preferences for mugs, this is pretty good. And this was a 5-ounce coffee, and I added a little bit of like the cream. And I still have like half of the space left. So this is a 16-ounce cup and it looks really cute. Bye, have a great day.